Did you know Ramzan isn't just about fasting? It's the most spiritual month of the year, and it can truly change your life. Every day from dawn to sunset, Muslims fast not just from food and water, but from anger, gossip, and bad habits. It's a time to cleanse your heart, strengthen your faith, and practice patience. At night, Taraweeh prayers bring communities together, while Iftar is a moment of joy, family, and sharing. Ramzan teaches us empathy, encouraging charity, and inspiring acts of kindness. It's a month of self-discipline, spiritual reflection, and gratitude. Every prayer, every fast, every good deed counts. And it all leads to the beautiful celebration of Eid al-Fitr, a reward for your devotion and patience. So this Ramzan, don't just fast. Transform yourself, let your heart, mind, and soul shine brighter than ever.